Thanks for stopping by Shaping Your World with Shaw. I'm Shaw, and on this channel, I talk about all things lifestyle related. Today, as the title shows, we're going to be talking about how I packed for a 7-day cruise in nothing but a carry-on and a personal item. That's right, you heard me correctly. 7 days, technically 8 days, 7 nights. They call it an 8-day cruise, but really you're getting off on the 8th day, so does that really count? I mean, literally, we are disembarking the ship at 7:30 a.m. tomorrow. Not looking forward to that. Have thoroughly enjoyed my cruise, but just wanted to share with you how I packed for the entire week in only a carry-on and a personal item. So if that's something that interests you, keep on watching and be sure to hit that like button, click the subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. So jumping right in, and apologies for the shaking. I'm still on a rocking boat. So I brought 9 tops, including the one I have on. This is a sleeveless bodysuit from Express in a very neutral color. And then I have this top here, sheer. I have 4 sheer tops in all relatively neutral colors with the exception of these. This is a zebra print, and this is a fun beach print. I thought this was really nice. I picked this up at Zara. This is not a bodysuit. It's the only non-bodysuit underlayer that I bought, but these are 3 long sleeve bodysuits from Express. This is also a long sleeve bodysuit from Express, but this is not a sheer. These are all sheer tops for wearing either with a tank top or with a bodysuit underneath. This is a non-sheer long sleeve bodysuit. Again, can be mixed and matched with other things. And then these 3 sleeveless bodysuits, all from Express, in addition to the one that I'm wearing. Again, all of these tops can be mixed and matched with one another or with different bottoms, which I will show you next. So for bottoms, I brought 2 pairs of jeans, including the ones I have on right now. These are high-rise skinny Express jeans in a white background with gold and silver design. I also bought a plain pair of blue high-rise skinny and then 3 pairs of leggings in blue, black, and a multi-print. I bought 1 pair of denim shorts and 2 slip skirts for evening wear, for the nights where you want you to dress up for dinner. So all in all, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of bottoms. Additional options I brought were 2 tank tops, both in black, as you can see, and a tube dress in case I wanted to throw it on to maybe grab a bite to eat or as a cover up with my swimsuit. I actually didn't even wear that dress, but that's a tube dress for just throwing on a tank top that can either be worn alone over a bathing suit or underneath one of the sheer bodysuits. And same goes, I have this like sparkly tank top that has lace trim at the top and at the bottom. So I wore this like for evening wear. So for layering and or keeping warm at night and or flying, because we did fly down to Florida to catch the ship, I brought a denim shirt, a black blazer, and a neutral colored hooded sweater. Also for layering, I brought 3 linen shirts, a nice pale blue, black, and of course this white one that I'm already wearing today. I also brought this blue and white shirt dress, which I used as both a layering item to cover up over outfits. I would tie it at the waist if I was wearing it with shorts or jeans, or I would wear it with leggings as a dress. The only reason I will put leggings underneath is because it has a pretty high slit on the side, and so I don't feel comfortable wearing it by itself as a dress. But this is a shirt dress, and I did use it as one of my nighttime evening options. But these were my layering items. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the shirt that I'm wearing makes 7. Last but not least, I only brought 1 bathing suit in black with a pair of black swim shorts and a black tank top to go over that. I only had planned to go to the beach on one day, and I didn't even go to the beach that day. I did go to a beach club. We went to Mr. Sancho's, which I have a separate video on, just giving a good rundown of my experience at Mr. Sancho's Beach Club. But so this was my one bathing suit option. Obviously, I would have had room for more as well. So these are their cubes. These are all compression cubes. This is a set of 3 and this is a set of 2. Both sets were purchased from Amazon, as well as a liquids bag also purchased from Amazon. So in these next few clips, I'm showing you what I packed in my toiletries bag, specifically in the liquids bag that I mentioned purchased from Amazon, as well as in 2 additional toiletry bags that I brought for solid products and for non-liquids, non-solids. So for accessories, I bought 2 pairs of sneakers. The one I wore on the plane, one that I packed, white and black, a pair of heels, a pair of flats, and a pair of flip-flops for the beach. My bag, I just carried this one fold-over clutch from Coach. It has a removable strap and it went well with every outfit during the trip. So sorry, I ran out of time when I was packing, so I wasn't able to show you the packing process, but I did want to show you the unpacking process, and you can see how utilizing the packing cubes, I was able to fit everything into my carry-on suitcase as far as clothing and footwear, and all of the toiletries as well as my bag, the purse that I carried during the week, went into my personal item. Everything fit just fine in the personal item and the carry-on suitcase, and I was able to get 8 outfits into these 2 bags that I carried on to the plane with me. I hope this helps you with packing for your vacations this summer or throughout the year. Let me know in the comments below if it does.